Hello everyone, once again welcome to Strings in Python. Today we'll be talking about some string methods. What are string methods? First, let's talk about what are methods, then we'll jump into what are string methods. Method is specific to an object, like it is specific to integer object, it is specific to string object or anything else. Like if you want to use some functions specific to an object, it is known as methods. It is quite familiar with object oriented programming, which we will be doing later on this course. So now just be careful that when you say functions inside an object, it is known as methods. So string methods are those which are specific to string objects. So let's dive into it and see what we can do with string methods. So firstly, what we'll do is we'll open a terminal and then type python 3 to open an interactive cell. Then go there and let's specify a variable creator samrat pani and enter it. Let's see, does it store it? Yes, there is a variable named as creator which stores a value of samrat neopani as a string. So we can access it, access creator dot lower to convert it into lowercase. You can see creator dot upper to convert it into uppercase, and we can see creator which is not changed yet. So it creates every new string with the methods. Now we want to also find a specific substring, that is rat, inside creator. So it returns 3 as an output. What is it? 3 is an index of rat. You can see 0, 1, 2 and 3 is rat. So what happens if we do not find an substring inside that string, like a bat? It returns -1 as an output. Now I would like to also see, like I would like to change my variable as samrat neopani with all lowers case, and then let's see creator, we are all lowercase. Now what happens if we give the output to user in all lowercase? It doesn't suit you, right? We always write our name capital in the first letter. So for this we can use something called title method. You can see it gives out, it capitalize every first letter of every word. Now I like to also talk about some other methods. Starts with and ends with. Starts with as, returns true because creator is small letter s. Now what happens if we write starts with caps s? It gives false because Python is a case sensitive language and string stores exact value of what we want. But what happens if we use upper and then use a starts with caps s? This will return true value because string.upper creates a string, and within string we can again access the string methods. Now I like to talk about ends with 2. Now ends with e gives true, whereas ends with a gives false. So these are some string methods which we'll be using in further part of the course. If you want to learn more about string methods, you have Python documentation. Go search about it and be more used to with string methods. Okay, see you in the next video. In the next video, we'll be talking about numbers in Python.